Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Math Man. So today I am going to tell you a story. The Little Woman. Once upon a time in a village there was a family. So there were four sisters living in that family. So one of them is Beth and one of them is Amy and the other two are Joe and Meg. So the four sisters were very close. So they all the four sisters were very beautiful and they were wise. So they had many dreams and wishes in their life and they always wanted to fulfill them. So each of them was unique. So out of the four of them have different unique features. One of them have the most beautiful hair and one of them have the most beautiful eyes and etc. So their family was poor. So one day it's not like that. So even though their family was poor, the four sisters used to ask for many things which were affordable by their father. So their father, without refusing, had bought all of them and gave it to them. They were very happy with their father because their father used to fulfill all their dreams. So their dreams are not like that, they don't need more money. So they are affordable. So one day their father had to leave for a war. So so the sisters the sisters and the mother were very worried and requested him to stay, but he had to go because he and the family needed money. So after he went for the war, the family was very sad and the mother struggled a lot to earn the money and feed the sisters. So after some weeks, the family received a mail from the army office saying that their father was severely injured in the war and is hospitalized in a hospital. So they wanted someone to take care of him. The mother said she will go and none of the sisters are going to come with her because they have to take care of the house. So she doesn't have any money to go to the hospital. So for traveling she needs money. She didn't even have that money and cried because she can't go near him and see him. So Joe had beautiful hair. That was her unique characteristic. So she thought that if she sell her hair and she can earn money by it. So she cut her hair and sells it. So she earns a lot of money from it. So she gives the money to the mother. The mother was pleased and becomes happy because she travels and sees her husband. So she says to the sisters that they should take care of each other and be careful. So she goes to the hospital. Meanwhile, Joe becomes sick. So all the other three sisters take good care of her and keep her company. So the mother returned to the house. So all the sisters had asked how is their father. The mother said that he is fine and he is out of danger. So it was the time of Christmas. The mother managed to buy a Christmas tree with the money she is earning and she gave to their daughters. So on the Christmas Eve, all the sisters had wished, but none of them came true. So these sisters were different. They had different dreams. So The day was very unfortunate and their wishes didn't come true. They were very sad. So, after some days, they didn't even have money for breakfast. So, on that day, they heard a knock on the door. They wondered who will come to their house. They opened the door and found their father. So they got very happy and excited after seeing him. So they spent all the time with him from then. They were very happy because he returned. So the sisters realized that during the hardest times of life are also the best times of life because they will learn from the hardest moments and how to get past them. So after that, they lived happily ever after. Thank you.